Friends, today I'm going to show that how to create group on Telegram. Friends, to create group on Telegram, first you have to go on Telegram, my friends. Friends, it's an easy process. Please watch it's an easy process. Please watch the whole video. Don't miss anything. And after watching the video, if you like this content, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel. So now, open Telegram, go on chats, then tap on compose at the top right corner. After that, tap on new group, select the contact, my friends. Tap on next at the top right corner, then close this one. Give your group name, my friends. I want to give the group name top list. Then, my friends, tap on camera to set profile picture. You can select from gallery, set emoji, or search web. So I want to set from emoji. Select anyone, my friends. Tap on set as group photo. Then tap on create at the top right corner, and it will be created, my friends, within seconds. See, it has been created and has written, you have created a group. Group can have up to 2 lakhs members, persistent chat history, public links such as this one, admins with different rights, right? So friends, like this, if you want, easily you can create group on Telegram. Friends, to create group on Telegram, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in the comment box. I'll try to give answer as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.